ang aking ulam for today. Walang rice, sausawan, and kamote. Kasi mahal ang bigas, kaya magkamote na lang tayo. Hi guys! Shout out sa mga manunood. Cucumber and hummus and carrots. May mangga pa. Ayan guys. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, my tummy. And my salad.